Hey everyone, today we're diving into the LG InstaView door-and-door counter-depth refrigerator. Let me tell you, this fridge is a game changer. With a capacity of 23 cubic feet, it's spacious enough to accommodate all your groceries without compromising on style. The stainless steel finish gives it a sleek and modern look that effortlessly blends into any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this fridge is the InstaView door-and-door design, which allows you to see inside without opening the door, reducing cold air loss and saving energy. It's a convenient feature that I never knew I needed until I had it. Plus, the French door configuration adds a touch of elegance while making access to your food and beverages incredibly convenient. Now, let's talk about dimensions. At 37 inches deep, 38 inches wide, and 73 inches tall, this refrigerator is designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen, even in tight spaces. And despite its large size, it operates quietly, so you won't be bothered by loud humming noises while going about your day. Installation is a breeze with the countertop installation type, and once it's set up, you'll appreciate the thoughtful design and attention to detail that LG is known for. From adjustable shelves to LED lighting, every aspect of this refrigerator has been carefully considered to enhance your overall experience. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-performance refrigerator that combines style, functionality, and innovation, look no further than the LG InstaView door-and-door counter-depth refrigerator. It's a true game-changer that will elevate your kitchen to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.